Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to enable default notifications on Dropbox for your mobile device. This updated method ensures that you never miss any important alerts or updates from your Dropbox account. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is where you control all app permissions and notifications. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. In the Apps menu, you will see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list and find Dropbox, then tap on it. This opens the app-specific settings where you can customize everything from permissions to notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This section controls how Dropbox sends alerts to your phone, including sounds, banners, and lock screen notifications. Now, look for notification categories, sometimes called notification channels. Tap on it, and you will see different types of notifications related to Dropbox activities. Find the option named Default and make sure the toggle next to it is switched on. Enabling this will allow Dropbox to send you standard notifications like file updates, shared folder alerts, and other important activity notices. Once you've toggled on default notifications, your phone is all set to keep you informed with timely Dropbox alerts. If you want to adjust other notification settings or categories, you can explore them here as well. By following these steps, you'll stay connected and never miss key changes or shares in your Dropbox account. If you ever want to turn off notifications, just reverse the steps and toggle default off. Thanks for watching.